Right here. Bang! Nice. Let's try that again. That ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. Again, outside, you stride out. You stride to the bucket. This your outside pitch. Let it get there. Keep working. Okay, just how you caught that, right? Like that. That's naturalism. Trigger. Felt better than it. Turn on the inside. Now it goes the other way. Nice and easy. You straight up. Boom. This outside. Hop. There it is. Nice. Way to hang. Way to hang. Way to hang. Nice. Hey, we got one more inside now, all right? We on this. Nice. Stride. Trigger. Keep working. Stride. Trigger. Good stroke. Stride. Trigger. Inside, man. You good. Two. Stride. Trigger. Nice stroke. Nice stroke. Stride. Trigger. Keep working. Keep working. That's a lot better there, Shane. I'm telling you. Doing well. Stride. Trigger. Nice stroke, Shane. Very good. Stride. Trigger. That's okay? That's okay. That stride step was it. You gotta have that stride. Trigger. Keep working. Keep working. Stride. Trigger. Finish that bottom, Shane. Finish that bottom. Hey, 3 hard hit balls right here. Ankle, knees, and hips. Stride. Ankle, knees, and hips. Yes! Again. Ankle, knees, and hips. Ankle, knees, and hips. That boy. Give me another. Stride and trigger. Oh! Trigger. Stride. Trigger. Catch up. Yep. Now, the reason I'm showing is a good fastball. Stay loose. Stride. Trigger. You feel me? The looser you are up top, the faster you can be if you stay ankle, knees, and hips. Stride. Trigger. Yes! You feel me? See how trigger. Nice. Nice. You're catching up to a solid fastball, man, is what I'm saying. Stride. Trigger. Keep working. And that's where a good pitcher gonna have that shit at. They down there. They're down in the zone. Stride. Trigger. Good. Trigger. We're good, fella.